Hello folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today I'll show you how to store your ginger. Chinese name is called 生姜. In the market and grocery store, you can buy 2 cans 生姜. One is cut like this, and the other cut smaller. And those gingers, and we will cut them and put in a Ziploc bag and frozen. When we use, we take it out, and we take out, and it can be good for 3 or 4 days. So in the fridge. So we will use this. This is one way I use to store my ginger. When we use ginger for Chinese dish, and usually the most popular 3 ways to cut ginger to use in Chinese dish, and we will cut through the throat, cut ginger and store it. So usually the most some common way. Then one way is like this. You slice the ginger. Just try to as thin as possible. So it'll be probably like this, thin. Yeah, if you don't want the skin, you can use a spoon to scratch the skin off. Usually I already washed it, so I keep the skin. So we get a Ziploc bag. We put it in a Ziploc bag and seal it, and put in the then get the air out, just like this. Squeeze it, get the air out, and seal. Put it in the freezer and store it. This is one when we boil do some stew or boil stuff. With a big piece of ginger, we use a sliced ginger like this to cook the dishes. This is one kind of cutted way to use the ginger. Yeah, this is another way and the most popular way, and in Chinese dishes they use a lot. It's just with the chopped ginger. I already showed the sliced ginger. This is the chopped ginger. First we slice it. Cut it again. Try to cut thin as possible, so it'll be as thin like this. Try to cut it as thin. If you can't cut it thin, don't worry, we will chop it in later. After cut this, and we cut it as small as possible. Try to cut as small as possible, so it'll be the small pieces. After we cut it, then we chop it. After chop it, it becomes small pieces. And we just maybe cut like a 1/4 cup of ginger. We put it in one Ziploc bag. You can use a knife, just be careful. Okay, then let the ginger go to the bottom, then like this to roll it, get the air out, and seal it, and frozen and keep a few months or half year in the freezer and for a long time. So this is the most popular way and to use the ginger to cut the ginger. This is the third way to cut the ginger you use in the Chinese dishes. You slice it as thin as possible. Now we cut it again. Try to as thin as possible. So it will be like this thin. So this is kind of like a needle or very thin silk, and this we put in Ziploc bag. When we cook some Chinese dishes, we will just add to our dishes. Put it in Ziploc bag. Now we just let it go to the bottom and just squeeze it, like get the air out, and seal it. And put it in the freezer. Yeah, it lasts longer. For those fresh gingers, if you don't cut it and put it in the freezer, it won't last very long. And sometimes it will go bad, grow mold on it, you can't use it. This is 3 ways and fresh ways that you can use gingers, or you can slice it like this, or just let it dry, become dry, and it won't go bad. You can use it. That's also the way they use it, slice it like this and dry it to keep the ginger. So you have a small piece of ginger and you can use it in 1 week. You finish to use it, because more than 1 week, sometimes it will go bad. So this is 3 way. This is the most popular ways, and there are 1 way, and the other way 3 ways, and to cut the ginger and then frozen, and to store or keep your ginger. I hope you like my idea and those information, and I hope it's useful for you. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.